Hi, it's Nicole Gray, founder of Rich, Skinny, Pretty. Now, don't let the name fool you. It's about everyday style. And that's why today I'm talking about menswear. I'm going to give you a few tips on how to wear fashionable sweaters for men. So listen up and you'll learn a little something. So we have Charles wearing a simple button-up with a collar and some dark denim jeans. And watch what we can do with a simple sweater. We added a simple sweater by Ralph Lauren, V-neck, and we have the collar popped out, and also we did not tuck in the shirt into the pants, which creates more of a casual, laid-back look, but still very classic. So here's another idea. Instead of a full V-neck sweater, why don't you opt for a cardigan? We have Charles in an option by H&M, super budget friendly, and it's great because it's a layering essential that shows off what you're wearing underneath, and it's very irresistible. So now you have two different options. Which one are you going to choose? Thanks so much for joining me. Again, my name is Nicole Gray of Rich, Skinny, Pretty. Hope to see you next time.